So we just did a lot of work building our SE process data frame. Now, one of the benefits of using R scripts is that we can quickly and conveniently recreate that data frame using a script file. So here you see I've cleared out my console, I've cleared out my script file, and I've cleared out my global environment. So in order to quickly bring back that SE process data frame, we can use a script file. So remember that script files are .r files, which are essentially just a text file. So if I go into my working directory, I've stored a script file called SE processed. What we can do is we can open this up in R. And you see that I've created a script to recreate the SE process data frame. So let's show you how quickly we can go through this. So it says to load the SE evaluation.csv file. And here we're going to store it in an object called SE. And I can simply run through the script. I can clear out of the console. I can close out my script file. And now I have the SE process data frame ready to work on again. So again, script files allow us to conveniently recreate our work, and it also provides transparency in the data analysis process.